Welcome to Friesland Campina, Thailand. Why we choose Chaiyo Cermex for this line? First of all, I have heard a lot of good experience with Cermex, not only from our resources from the regional procurement, but also the actual machine we have installed it in the past for the different business. Say in the can business, we already have one Chaiyo Cermex machine for the wraparound case packers to take care of our can products. So that's a good start. Even when we start the initial discussion, before we go for the final selection, we have a lot of technical discussion with the Chaiyo Cermex staff. Shows that they have very strong knowledge in delivering the solution to the customers. They are also responsive when we ask or clarify anything. They are really in touch with us, and that's really create a feeling that Chaiyo Cermex should be the right guys to do the job with us. Yeah, eventually we come to the state of start up the machine. This massive bottle production end to end is really difficult to start up. Luckily that we choose the Chaiyo Cermex because this is the only one machine that can deliver the expected performance almost within the week for the very good FAT happening before we shipping the machine to the factory, and also thanks to the Chaiyo Cermex for the technical support along the way. Running the new production line in the big factory like this is always come up with a different problem here and there, which we cannot really control. But Chaiyo Cermex, they are really flexible. Once we ask them for the support, or when we encounter different challenges, they are really willing to support. That's the key reason why we can really start up this line successfully. Thanks for that.